Welcome to our channel. If you're seeing the error establishing a database connection message on your WordPress site, follow these step-by-step instructions to diagnose and fix this common issue. Step 1. Verify that the problem isn't temporary by refreshing your browser and clearing your cache. Sometimes this error occurs during brief database maintenance by your host. Step 2. Check if your hosting account has reached its database limit or if the database server is down. Contact your hosting provider to verify that the MySQL service is running properly. Step 3. Access your WordPress files via FTP using FileZilla or your hosting control panel's file manager. Navigate to the root directory of your WordPress installation. Step 4. Locate and download a backup copy of the wp-config.php file before making any changes. This file contains your database connection credentials. Step 5. Open wp-config.php in a text editor and verify the database name, username, password, and host. These should match the credentials in your hosting control panel's database section. Step 6. Common mistakes include incorrect database host values. Try changing dbhost from localhost to 127.0.0.1 or the specific server name provided by your host. Step 7. If credentials are correct, access PopMyAdmin through your hosting control panel and check if the database exists and tables are intact. Repair tables if needed using the Repair Database utility. Step 8. If nothing works, restore your site from a recent backup. Most hosts provide automated backups that you can restore through your control panel's backup section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.